Hey there, it's Dave. Welcome back to Garage K. I'm working on my Altezza again today. Here's how to deal with the PCV on a Beams engine with ITBs. Connect 14mm inside diameter hose to the breather and run that to a T, or in my case a Y hose fitting. Remove the PCV and install a 15mm L fitting into the grommet. This zip tie is just here to stop the fitting going in too far. Run some 14mm hose between the L and the Y, then connect the Y to your catch tank via the barb labelled for input. From there you can either put an air filter on your catch tank and call it done, or you can do what I did and run a second hose around the back of the engine to connect up where the engine air filter is. I did have to modify the plastic engine cover to get everything to fit up right, but this is just a cover, it isn't even necessary. This turned out exactly how I wanted it to, and the engine bay passed the Japanese road inspection test with flying colours.